Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing tips for removing the battery on this key transmitter for a 2025 Toyota Corolla. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is extend the key like that. Then we're going to look inside right here. Okay. We got our small screwdriver, that's the only tool we need. And there's a little gap right there. And that's where we're going to stick our little small screwdriver and just remove this portion of the key fob. Okay, just this portion. Just holding it firmly, stick it in carefully, slight twist, and there you go. Okay, set that off to the side, and this is what we're looking at. Simply remove the little cover. Now, in order to remove this battery, you'll see there's a little slot right here. And that's where you're going to stick your screwdriver. Pop it out, just like that. And there you have it. So we have a CR2032 battery. Simply replace the battery in reverse order, slide it in, just like that. You notice that end of the battery is underneath the far end of this circle. It's in secure. Okay. Place the cover back on. Now, starting from this outer edge, you're going to put the cover on like that. And then I always like to look at it all the way around before I start squeezing, and you can see everything's in place, ready to go. And then you simply squeeze. And there you have it. And you always want to test it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, drive defensively.